Hi, this is Mark Sylvester, and thank you so much for agreeing to be one of our early members and check out 805 Connect. What you're going to do when you get to the site is you're going to come over here on the left and you're going to click New User. By the way, you need to create your profile on a laptop. You'll be able to access it from mobile after you have this profile created. First thing you'll do is select a pin type, and this is a main designation of you, and you'll see how we do a visualization of that in the future. But just pick the right one and go ahead and fill this out. The login name is that which you'll use next time you come back and log into the site, so you can keep it really short. No one's ever going to see it. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. The first thing you're going to see is a profile, and this is an important first step. And I know no one likes filling out all this information, but trust me, you want to be found by other people, and you're going to want to find other people. So the more information you have here, the better. You can easily leave out anything. There's nothing required except your password. So if you're uncomfortable with leaving, just skip it. The heart of 805 Connect is really in these tags. So you've got experience, and you can see a ton of words down here. You can see how I can help others, I need help with, and your area of focus. So in my case, I actually really need help with work-life balance because I tend to not know when to quit. So what I do is I click that word, I drag it up here, and what this is going to do is people are going to see this about me, and I could even search for people who might be able to help with work-life balance. So you're going to want to go and select as many words as are applicable here. The more words, the better matches you're going to make. When you're done with this, spend 3 or 4 minutes on it. It's a very thoughtful exercise. Click the Next button. This then gives you to another optional area where you can put in some words. We call them Talk to Me About, which is kind of interesting. A little bit more about your business, so you can go ahead and fill that out. Again, this is all optional. And then some conversation starters. And this is all meant to help you meet other people and learn more about them than you would on LinkedIn or any other matter, or having a dozen business lunches with them. The last step then is put in a picture. We want to see what you look like, so put a picture in. If you're comfortable with it, put in your LinkedIn, your Twitter. If you've got a blog, you can put in some photos, files. If you're a business, you can upload some product brochures. You can even create a short little video using your web camera. And that's it. That's all you need to do. When you're done with that, just say, show my connections. And that is there's the payoff. Now, mind you, we've just launched in the last 48 hours, so there are only a few people in the site. But there I am at the center, and I can see my best match is Fred. Fred just signed up last night, so it's kind of cool. So I can see Fred, and I can see all of the words that Fred set up, and the words in color are the things we have in common. I can look at his contact information, so I could send him an email, I could call him, I see exactly what he's interested in, how he answered the questions. And for right now, that's enough for the video, but you can go and explore the forums and the resources and all of that. And please, 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 if you have any feedback, the best place to do it is go to forums and click on global, and then go to tips, tricks, and suggestions, and we have set up a forum thread there where you can come in and answer things. So the next time you log in, you'll see this dashboard where you'll get to see your matches and forums and resources and all of that. Again, thanks again for participating and agreeing to help. Bye-bye.